We need to restore and improve urban infrastructure. Infrastructure is the combination of fundamental systems that support a community, region, or country. This doesn't mean just buildings and roads. It's from water and sewer systems to rail networks, national power, and gas grids. It's everything that goes on behind the scenes. Most of our current infrastructure was put in place 100 years ago. And now, with a much larger population, things must change and improve. This is not just a problem here in the US, but in all parts of the world, and especially in Asia. They have cities with 10 million people. This causes problems of stress for support system, national disasters, terrorist attacks, and accidents. We are challenged to economically provide such services more broadly. Solutions to these problems must be designed for sustainability, given proper attention to environmental and energy use, along with the concern for aesthetic elements that contribute to the quality of life.
2005, the average grade of various categories of U.S. infrastructure was a D, later updated to a D+ in 2013. It's obvious that our current infrastructure needs to be updated. In many cities, downtown refers to the older part of the city. Many of these downtowns are aging and failing, and funding has been insufficient to repair and replace them. Many buildings today are at least 100 years old or older, and have had some work done to them, but for many, the proper work has not been done to ensure the building is structurally sound again. The same goes for highways. Many highways need to be completely rebuilt, but they are more being temporarily patched than repaired. Populations of cities continue to grow, putting more pressure on these out-of-date structures that continues to widen the gap between the need for new or improved infrastructure and the projected delivery of that infrastructure. However, not only has age had an impact on urban infrastructure, but also natural disasters, accidents, and terrorism can easily compromise the structural integrity of a building or any other standing structure.
Improving infrastructure. There are no impossible technical issues in sourcing enough energy for an increasing larger global population. Instead, the difficulties lie in the areas of regulation, financing, politics, social ethics, and international relations. In developed countries, an average of 25% of edible food is thrown away in the home after purchase, while in developing countries, as much as half of crops are lost before ever reaching market due to lack of adequate transportation and storage. Must involve the capturing and storage of rainwater, more cost-effective desalination techniques, and aquifer storage and recovery techniques. In the world, there are important room for improvement in the infrastructure sector. Throughout the world, people lack access to clean water, electricity, sanitary waste disposal, and good transportation systems. Fortunately, modern technology and infrastructural development has the ability to meet the needs of everyone. It will require a shift from a fossil fuel-based economy to one of renewable energy and a transition from a raw materials economy to one of recycled materials. There are plenty of exciting possibilities to create sustainable infrastructure systems. Some of our basic strategy are: 1. Repair existing broken systems and promote and employ sustainable systems for new infrastructural development. 2. Limit government's control of infrastructure systems and encourage unsubsidized private investment, competition, and innovation to meet humanity's needs. 3. Develop communities in ways that guarantee non-violation of humans or the ecosystem.